Hey, Edward, did you hear about the ghost train?
What ghost train, Percy?
Percy came up with that story and he pranked me, and it was not fun.
Oh, really? Tell me about it.
Okay, it all started at midnight. The end.
Percy, that was no story. Almost all of it is real.
Don't give me that bullcrap, Edward.
I'm not joking, Thomas. Remember Timothy.
Yes, he's my brother. The one who was sent away from scrap due to the budget for the railway.
I didn't tell you have a brother.
Yes, Percy, Timothy is the Northwestern Railways, number 0.
The Fact Controller lied. The Fact Controller and I know what happened and tried to protect you from the truth.
What do you mean, the truth?
All right, I had no choice. The year was 1914. Timothy was a kind and confident, less cocky than James.
Screw you, Edwin! I'm the better engine than he is! Suck on my whistle, call!
Thank you, Percy. So anyways, where were we? Timothy was taking this last passenger train for the night.
Okay, driver, let's pull the brakes. See?
But however, Timothy's brakes were broken and started to go faster.
Wait a minute there. The brakes aren't working. Wait, what? Oh shit, we're going so fast that we can't stop. I'm too young to die.
Timothy tried it. It was no use. Passengers started to scream. They are heading to the viaduct which hasn't been built yet.
Timothy, help us!
Timothy could only say one thing.
I'm sorry, everyone.
After that, everyone died in that terrible accident. Only one person survived and tell us what happened. And that is why, Thomas, that we tried to hide the truth. I know you care about him so much, but you are sensitive to know the harsh truth of the reality.
It's okay, Edward. I understand.
Thanks for understanding, Thomas. Well, good night, Thomas and Percy.
Good night, you guys.
Good night. Wait, ghosts aren't real, are they?
With that, Thomas is now a bit worried, and he doesn't know what to say from that story. If that was true from all those years ago, that we may never know, won't we?